buy something. We said, okay, why don't we do something with that? And China at the time was like, the manufacturing hub of the world. This is like only what, 4 years back?
Yes.
Guess what? That's changing with Made in India.
Yes.
And that's why Jaipur Say is something which is our sub-brand for DTB, for mothers, that we are using to exercise what we get locally here. So the idea really is that you have an idea person and then you have the delivery boy. That's basically the husband-wife relation right here. That's what we do. We have figured out complementary skills, or we are trying to figure out complementary skills, right? We're driving each other crazy completely. My room, if you see, is totally different than hers. She has all sorts of colors and this and that. I mean, I do have some colors, but mine is more, I'm an engineer by background, mechanical engineer. So of course, everything has to be organized, everything has to be proper, everything has to be clean, and she is food here, some telephone rang somewhere, whatever. It works, but it works for her, right? So I go into a room, if I make the mistake of going into a room, it's all over, right? So that's why all the meetings are in my room, right? So again, what you do is, as a husband-wife team, what she said earlier, just picking up on that, you have a sense of commitment. You don't have a choice, right? वो कहते हैं ना, आपने parents used to say, एक और एक क्या होते हैं? 11, right? That's what we try to do. We're not 2, we're 11. We have the strength of being together, right? And we try to figure out how we can leverage that to put it in our work environment. We do that at home, upbringing of our kids, taking care of our parents, taking care of our friends, whatever, right? Now we're doing that at work also. So in a way, being together all the time also is not good, but all the same, it is actually fun so far. And 3 years into it, we've proven the model works, all that, all that is happening. We're thinking about what we need to do next, funding, this, that, all that. So, complementary skills is one thing I would say that every husband-wife should have when they're working together, or else they should not work together, because then you end up in a different path altogether. Anyway, so I think